For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The Fossilman's Townsman automatic stainless steel and leather two-hand skeleton watch really brings something different to the table. I've personally worn this model during both workdays and casual evenings, and what stands out is how it blends functionality with visible mechanics. The 44mm case is bold but not oversized, and it features a sleek black satin dial with a transparent skeleton sub-eye giving you a clear view of the inner gears in motion. It's powered by automatic movement, meaning no battery changes, just the natural motion of your wrist keeps it ticking. Though if it ever stops, just rotate the crown about 40 times. Speaking from experience here, that tip works great. This watch is more than just stylish. The case is crafted from durable smoke gray stainless steel and paired with a scratch-resistant mineral crystal lens. I accidentally brushed mine against a brick wall once, no damage at all, which says a lot about its build. The smoke stainless steel bracelet is solid, secure with a fold-over clasp, and easy to resize. I adjusted mine at home using a basic pin tool. It's also interchangeable with any 22mm fossil strap, which I like for switching up the look without buying a new watch. Inside, the automatic movement delivers accurate time with a smooth sweep of the hands, something that watch enthusiasts really appreciate. The dial includes clean silver accents that pop against the dark face, making it easy to read. Plus, it's water resistant up to 50 meters, so quick showers or light swimming aren't a problem. I wouldn't take it snorkeling, but for everyday wear, it's reliable. What makes this watch stand out is the mechanical experience it offers. I've been collecting automatics for a while, and this one holds its own in both design and functionality, especially at this price point. It's a great pick if you're new to automatic watches or just want something that combines utility with style. All in all, the Townsman feels like a dependable choice with some flair, transparent, literally and stylistically. It gives off that impression of wearing a piece of engineering on your wrist, and for someone who appreciates the mechanics behind timekeeping, that really adds value.